Ooh, he approves.
Over on Colin's station, he's got salmon.
My plate is salmon with caper relish, pistachio dust, a cauliflower smash, a bacon crumble, and a Parmesan tuile. This cook is so important to me right now, I just don't want to go home today.
Oh man, Colin's all over the place.
10 minutes! 10 minutes for the dynamite protein dish.
Doing great. Keep it going, keep it going.
I'm pushing for time here.
Look. Oh my gosh.
I burnt my fish. I actually had 2 pieces of fish. I debone it, salt and pepper it, throw it in the pan as fast as I possibly can. I'm in the weeds.
Colin's had to cook a second piece of salmon. I don't think he'll get it done in time.
Hot.
It's interesting to see what's happening here. You have cooks that are keeping it too simple, not pushing hard enough, and you have other cooks being a little bit too ambitious, and they may fall because of it.
Wake up every day and say, I'm gonna make something crazy.
He's like Willy Wonka.
Rojin is like a mathematician. He's a magician. My brain hurts when I talk to him.
I'm not going home today. 5 minutes! 5 more minutes left.
Keep it up, keep it up. This, push right to the end.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
This could be burnt.
Oh my God.
My lamb ragu is scorched, and I have no choice but to try and salvage something off the top.
I'm worried about Cliff. He is just now taking the lid off his pressure cooker.
Damn, it's not cooked enough. I'm trying to pull the duck, but it's not pulling.
Wow, Cliff's duck is actually not tender enough to pull the meat away from the bone.
All right, new plan. I don't have time to argue with this duck leg. Let's just cut the meat off the bone. Damn it.
30 seconds. Clock is ticking. Last push, come on.
Everyone else is plating, and my fish is still cooking.
Looks like that sea creature.
It's almost there, almost there. Here we go, that's what I was looking for.
There's so much happening right now that I don't know where to look.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heads up!
Wow. OMG.
Oh.
Damn.
So glad I cooked 2 pieces of fish.
Nice work, everyone. Tony, please bring your dish to the front.
I made a crab and ricotta stuffed cannelloni with crab, tomato, and caper sauce.
Have you worked with crab before?
Not much.
And you got first pick.
Yes,
Well, it sounds like you took a bit of a risk.
I did.
Well, at first glance, I think the dish looks very eye-catching and appealing. What I'm looking for in a cannelloni dish like this is the lightness to that pasta, a good amount of filling, but I still want to be able to taste that sweet, succulent crab meat. That is very good.
Oh, thank you.
You are masterful when it comes to flavors and building sauces. And the sauce on this cannelloni just helps elevate the sweet flavors of that crab meat. That I'd be happy to have on my restaurant menu.
Thank you. What an honor.
Good job, Don.
Holy crab. That's amazing. Colin, please bring up your dish.
I want the judges to see that I do have some technique.
And some salmon crusted skin on with caper relish, smashed cauliflowers underneath, and a bacon crumble.
How's the cook on the salmon?
Medium rare.
This is a nice medium rare. Salmon is nicely cooked. But what is this?
That there is a Parmesan tuile.
You added a lot of components in there that might not have needed to be there.
Okay.
Too many ideas. You only needed one to make that salmon shine.
Okay. Alyssa, you're up next.
It's a wild turkey supper with wild rice.
You're a huntress, right?
Yes,
Have you ever killed turkey?
I wish.
Wow. All right, let's taste the turkey. Should be the star of the show here. The turkey is very succulent. Have you cooked wild rice before?
Just once or twice.
You know we're sending home 2 home cooks today, right?
Yes, chef.
You tell me if you think the wild rice needs a little more time.
Yes. The taste I took earlier tasted cooked, but I was wrong.
So you're gonna have to give us a lot more than some turkey and rice. I just want to see more creativity.
Cliff, please bring up your dish for tasting.
I'm pleased with the way it looks. It's nice and big, the way we like it in Texas. This is barbecue duck sandwich with red cabbage slaw.
That's a pretty big sandwich. I want to see quality over quantity. The barbecue sauce has a nice acidic edge to it. You know, technically, that duck is cooked, but I don't think it's quite cooked to the extent that you wanted it to be. The look of that sandwich feels a little too ordinary, not quite a bullseye.
Hi, Cliff.
Oh, chef.
Sauce is so good. But it's a sandwich. This is MasterChef Canada. I need to see technique and sophistication. Don't disappoint me, Cliff.
I will not, chef.
If you get the chance.
I'm hoping and praying this sandwich is enough to get me through.
Rojin, please bring your dish up.
It's biryani gnocchi with lamb ragu.
You used the pressure cooker.
Yes.
How much moisture did you put in?
I miscalculated the fat on the lamb, so it evaporated too quickly and burned the bottom. I picked out as much as I could.
That scorching aroma travels up through the unscorched lamb and it contaminates it with a very burnt flavor. Think that happened here?
My hope is it didn't.
If this is burnt, it's the end of the road for you. You managed to mask that burnt flavor that you had from the bottom of the pressure cooker. Very multi-layered. I love the use of spices. You got lucky, my friend.
Stephen, please bring up your dish for tasting.
I hope the judges appreciate how I push myself out of the box. I did my play on a kefta sandwich with a tabbouleh salad.
Steven, you are a professional figure skater, right?
Yes.
Sometimes the judge is very harsh.
They're truthful.
Truthful. Well, I can tell you, I am very, very truthful. I think the kafta is under-seasoned, okay? And dry. It's a good dish, but it's able to compete at the level that we want here. Competition is fierce. If I call your name, please come up to the front. Colin.
I could definitely be going home today.
Stephen. Alyssa. And Cliff.
I'm still not knowing what's going on. My heart's pumping. I didn't come here to go home this early.
Colin and Alyssa, please step forward. What we saw from you tonight isn't gonna cut it. But your salmon and turkey were perfectly cooked. And enough to keep you in this competition. Please head back to your stations.
Congratulations. You too.
Stephen, at just 21, you beat home cooks with decades more experience to grab that white apron.
Cliff, you served one of the best audition dishes we have ever tasted. Your barbecue style is a reflection of who you are. And when you open your place, 3 of us will be the first in line.
Please leave your aprons at your stations.